Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, July 30th. My name is John Paul, daytradetowin.com. I just finished recording this video. I saw something that I think a lot of traders don't think about when they jump into the market. I wanted to share it with you. Before I get into the at the open trade and the trade scalper signals, a disclaimer about the risks involved with trading. Remember that trading is risky. It's not for everyone. Talk to your broker and understand what's involved when you do decide to trade live. We do offer a free simulator to get yourself interested in trading and understand what and how this all works. You don't need a brokerage account to join Day Trade to Win. We prefer that you practice first, understand everything that you're doing before taking that next step. Now, the name of this video is Never Ever Trade Like This, because some traders, as soon as the market opens, they decide to buy and sell, especially with small or tight stops, and that becomes a bit of a riskier situation because when the market opens 9:30 New York time, you can see that there are these swings that occur. The market can go up or down very fast, and if you have a tight stop, you're going to get taken out of the trade very quickly. So what we want to do is avoid trading within the first 10 minutes just to let all of those orders get cleared out. A lot of traders are trading on overnight data or using indicators, and as soon as everyone floods the market, there's a huge explosion. And we can see that on the ATR as well. The size of these candles are very large, and there's these swings they should avoid. Now on the trade scalper, there's a signal at 32:15.50 about 9:42 New York time. And that trade was a good trade. I didn't take that trade. Those of you who took that trade, great, you made your money. But as we continue, I'm also looking for another scalping method. Scalping occurs multiple times throughout the day, small targets. Basically, if you're looking at the ATR, it's about 8 ticks, 2 points, and you can expect currently about $100 per trade at least on one contract. Now, I'm also looking at the open method. If the at the open method kicks in, I also want to take that. So we have our signals and our trades that we're looking at. And as we continue here, you're going to see a signal at 32:12.75 and 32:12.50. So these are separate signals. The at the open trade is 32:12.50. The trade scalper signal is 32:12.75. They're so close that you have two methods indicating short. They're within a tick of each other, so that's a good thing. So now I want to take a trade at 32:12.50, 32:12.75. I want to be filled. And because the ATR is about 2.5 points currently, that would be the target. You're looking at about 2 to 2.5 points, about $100 to $125 per contract. So now I have 5 contracts. So doing the math, you can see that you can be up about $600 on this trade. Now you can also lose money, and that's why we have our stops. The methods taught at Day Trade to Win focus on price action. We avoid feelings. We avoid what looks like or could be. We really try to understand the entire process of why you're entering into a trade, and if the risk is too much, we avoid it. If we have a goal in mind and it takes too long, we avoid it. So we have everything in place, especially for the new traders that are trying to understand trading, how and what you should do every step of the way. And that's the goal. That's the focus. Know what you're doing. Don't trade alone or don't trade on feelings. Have a stop, have a target, and a trade management on a situation like this. And there you have it. There's our target. Whether it be the scalper or the at the open 2, this short trade was successful. Those of you who have the trade scalper and the at the open 2 have the exact same signals. So there's no optimization. There's a complete understanding of the methods, and you can trade this on your own without having to follow anyone. If you want to learn more about trading, visit daytradetowin.com. Subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.